Hey y'all, we back at it again, and today we're gonna be working with Wiggins hair. I've never dealt with them. When I took it out, it was pretty nice and it was very soft. The texture was nice and everything. I will say that the bundles were very thin, which I was pretty skeptical about, but I knew this was a good company that I heard about, and let's just continue forward with it. I started off with sewing the closure down and I started in the middle instead of the sides. This helps you secure the closure way more better than starting off on the side where the other starts lifting and then becomes bulky and just all messed up. Let me tell ya, I was so focused you couldn't tell me nothing. And that's how I am when it comes to like making wigs. Like I put my all into it and like I said, y'all can't tell me nothing. Now that we are done sewing the closure down, I started with the first bundle, and when I sewed the first track down, I started all the way at the bottom where the band is, and that's how I normally start. I've seen a lot of people start like that, but as you can see, I was struggling to like get the needle through, so I didn't get it through the band. right here you can see me take my rat tail comb and start parting my hair. I'm about to start plucking, and I don't put mousse or water, but some people do, just for you like to be easier to plug and to help you see. And also I'm hop combing my hair down, well, the person's hair down, so I can get it laid and not have like hairs all over the place and be able to get a clean like pluck. So the way I pluck is I part and I start plucking back, and I continue to go like fast and around. I don't stay in one place, because if you stay in one place you'll end up having a bald spot, and that's not good. And I continue on by taking part by part while I continue to pluck also, and then just continue. I feel like whenever you think that you have enough is when you should stop, but I feel like nobody should be doing it like too much, because then you're gonna be mad that you got a bald spot, and it's just all bad. As you see here, I started plucking down just to get anywhere that I did not pluck. As you see, I keep hot combing my hair from time to time as I continue to pluck, just so I know where I'm at and if I need to continue plucking more. Pluck, 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 pluck. That's all you gotta do, just keep plucking. Yes, look at that lace. Look how I plucked. Hairline wear. This looks so realistic. And I actually enjoy doing this. And Wiggins hair, y'all hair is bomb. It stayed the same even after I bleached and plucked. One thing I did not like, as I said in the beginning, is just how thin the bundles are, but it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope I helped somebody on plucking and how to make a wig.